Rhine Falls, located near the town of Schaffhausen in Switzerland, is a majestic natural wonder that captivates visitors with its awe-inspiring beauty and powerful display of nature's force. As Europe's largest waterfall, Rhine Falls is a must-visit destination that offers a range of experiences for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the splendor of one of Switzerland's most iconic landmarks. The sheer magnitude of Rhine Falls is immediately apparent as you approach the viewing platforms. The sight of water cascading over a width of 150 meters and dropping with a thunderous roar creates a spectacle that evokes both wonder and admiration. The mist generated by the falling water contributes to an enchanting atmosphere, creating rainbows that dance in the sunlight. Boat tours take visitors even closer to the falls, providing an exhilarating experience as they navigate the churning waters. Feeling the spray of the falls on your skin and hearing the rushing sound of the water from such proximity is an unforgettable sensation. A panoramic trail along the cliffs offers various viewpoints that provide different angles of the falls and the surrounding landscapes. These vantage points allow for breathtaking photographs and a deeper appreciation of the natural beauty of the area. Visiting Rhine Falls is not just about marveling at the waterfall itself. The surrounding parkland and trails add to the experience. Picnic areas and benches invite visitors to relax and enjoy the scenery, while well-maintained paths lead through lush forests and offer opportunities for leisurely walks. For those interested in the geological and historical aspects of the falls, there is a visitor center that provides information about the formation of Rhine Falls and its significance over time. The center also showcases the ecological importance of the falls in the region. Nearby attractions include the charming town of Schaffhausen, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and vibrant cultural scene. Exploring the town's cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and museums offers insights into the local culture and heritage. Rhine Falls is a year-round destination, each season offering its own distinct charm. In the winter, the frozen landscape creates a magical scene, while the warmer months allow for boat tours and outdoor activities. Whether you're captivated by the power of nature, eager for a boat adventure, seeking scenic viewpoints, or simply reveling in the natural beauty of the surroundings, a visit to Rhine Falls promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Switzerland's natural grandeur and leaves a lasting impression on all who venture into its captivating embrace.